excited. We're at the Art Couture opening at the Cornell Museum in Delray Beach, and I'm talking to Melanie, the curator who helped put this all together. Tell me a little bit about the show here.
Absolutely. So this show is meant to merge art and fashion in a way that kind of uplifts fashion as art. And I think you'll see that going around the galleries. A lot of the pieces are actually created by fashion designers. One local designer is in the show, Amanda Perna, who created your beautiful gown.
Yeah, and tell me about some of the other designers that are here, and not everyone's a fashion designer. So
Right.
Tell me different types of fashion you can find here.
Absolutely. So for instance, we have contemporary art that kind of hints at fashion, takes inspiration from fashion. Stephen Wilson created a bunch of embroidered boxes on like Hermes boxes, Gucci boxes. Becky Rosa created a big piece with Karl Lagerfeld with a Chanel microphone. We have 2 Andy Warhol sketches from the 1950s when he was into sketching fashion before he was, you know, the pop artist that we all know and love. Yeah, and we do have 2 fashion designers and then 1 designer who creates upcycled fashion with paper dresses and recycled plastic.
We are here with Sonya Sanchez Arias at the Cornell Museum for the Art Couture show. Can you tell us a little bit about your incredible work?
Sure. I was invited, of course, to the Art Couture show here at the Cornell Museum. And I make, a lot of my art is all made from recycled materials. I'm very big in using all different kinds of materials. So this dress, this particular dress is my newest dress. It's called Dorian Gray, and she is made entirely from plastic. So her top is made from straws. Her skirt is made from trash bags.
This is crazy.
There's about 150 water bottles, plastic water bottles that are used for all the embellishments. I call her Dorian Gray because these are a lot of leftover supplies from Hurricane Dorian.
Oh.
But also, there's a quote from Oscar Wilde in the novel, his novel Dorian Gray, that says, "Behind every exquisite thing, there is something tragic." And that's how I feel about our plastic situation, where we love the convenience of plastics, but there's a dark side to it. And,
Absolutely.
And it's something, there's a love-hate relationship that goes on between how we feel about plastics. So I wanted her to represent that. She's got this chainsaw blade that I found in a parking lot somewhere. And I feel she really shows the beauty, but also the tragic side of plastics. So one of the things that's really important to me is not just to think differently about these recycled materials, not just what they are, but to go beyond it and to transform them and give them a whole new reason for existing.
Sonya, what inspired this gorgeous creation?
Well, this is also recycled. She's Antarctica, because I feel like Antarctica is our last pristine wilderness that is untouched. It's a message that we need to hold on to these areas that are as pristine and as clean as possible, because the Antarctica has so much to do with our atmosphere. And so I think it's appropriate that she's here because she has a very powerful message behind her.